In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude desktop app. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and that Claude is accessible in your browser. We're going to use the built-in option inside Claude to start the desktop app download, so everything happens from within the interface you already know. Start by opening Claude. If you already have it open in a browser tab, bring that tab to the front. If not, open your browser and navigate to Claude, then sign in as you normally would. Once you're on the main screen and can see your conversations or the prompt area, you're in the right place. Next, look toward the very top right corner of the Claude window. You'll see a three-dot menu icon, sometimes labeled as More or represented by an ellipsis. This is where Claude keeps additional options that don't fit on the main toolbar. Click that three-dot menu to expand the list. If your window is narrow or zoomed in, the icon might be snug against other controls, so take a second to hover your cursor until you spot it. From the menu that appears, find and click the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. This section collects tools for getting your work out of the browser and into other places, including export and download features. Choosing it will open a panel or submenu that highlights ways to save content or extend your experience beyond the web. Inside that panel, click Download Claude App. This is the action that initiates the desktop app download for your operating system. After you click it, you should see your browser begin downloading the installer or package automatically. Depending on your system and browser settings, it may appear in a Downloads bar at the bottom, in a Downloads menu near the top right, or in your default Downloads folder. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment. Larger files can take longer to appear, especially on slower connections. A few quick tips while the download starts. Keep the Claude tab open until you see the download confirmed, and avoid clicking the option repeatedly to prevent duplicate files. If you use security or network controls that filter downloads, watch for any banner or alert from your browser indicating it needs permission to keep the file. That's all there is to it. You opened Claude, used the three-dot menu in the top right, selected Cast, Save, and Share, and then chose Download Claude App to begin the download. If the interface ever looks a little different due to updates, look for similarly named options related to sharing or saving, and you'll find the download option in the same general area. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the Claude desktop app started quickly and confidently.